Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to the Approval Form Designer of Yeeflow. First of all, open Yeeflow application, click Approval Form component in the top navigation menu bar, click Edit in Designer button on the top right corner, and click OK in the pop-up window to open the Form Designer. In the top middle position of the Designer, there are two tabs for Forms and Workflow. In the Forms tab, you can freely design the fields and layout of the form. Click the Workflow tab to open the Workflow Designer page, which allows you to design the form approval workflow. At the top left of the Form Designer, click the Rename button to set the display name of this form. Click the Copy button, select the Copy to New Page tab, and replace Existing Page tab. On the left side of the Form Designer, click the plus button to switch the Controls panel and Page panel for settings. In the Controls panel, we can lay out the approval form by adding various controls. The Controls panel contains basic fields, advanced fields, general controls, advanced controls, and workflow controls. In the basic fields, it provides common form fields such as single line, number, and date picker fields. Here, we click and drag the single line field control to the right canvas. With the control selected, the Control Settings panel is on the left. Click Content Settings to modify the title and associated variables of the control under the Basic column. Modify the appearance settings of the title under the Appearance column, and set the control as read-only or required under the Validation column. Go to the Style tab to customize the appearance of the control in both editable and read-only modes, as well as set the title style. Re-click the plus button to open the Page panel. From there, you can customize various aspects of the page. Under the Page column, you can customize the background for the page. In the Content Area column, you have the option to set the width of the page as either fixed or full width. The Appearance column allows you to choose whether the default title field alignment should be horizontal or vertical. If you need to add any custom CSS code, you can do so under the Custom CSS column. The canvas on the right contains all the controls added. Select the control and click the right mouse button to set the properties of the control. In the pop-up drop-down box, click the Duplicate button to create a copy of the same control, which can improve the efficiency of form creation. Click the Copy button in the drop-down box to copy the style of the control, and right-click on another control of the same type as the control and click Paste Style to copy the style of the previous control to maintain a consistent form appearance. Click the Reset Style button in the Properties drop-down box to restore the control to its default style. Click the Navigator button. The Navigator helps you group form controls and adjust the order of controls. And click a control can locate it in the canvas. Right-clicking on a control allows you to set the control to duplicate, copy, reset style, delete, and so on. Click the Delete button to delete the control. If you need to delete the variable at the same time, tick the Delete Variable at the same time checkbox in the pop-up window and click OK. The Navigator button can also be clicked in the bottom left corner of the Form Designer. Click the Preview button to preview the current design of the approval form. Clicking the Device button at the top of the Form Designer allows you to preview how your form will appear on different devices by selecting different device modes, such as desktop, tablet, and mobile phone, to ensure the responsiveness and compatibility of the form. Finally, in the top right corner of the Form Designer, click the Variables button to easily manage all the variables in this form. Click on the Actions button to add actions to this form. And finally, click on the Save button to retain all changes. You can design and lay out your form according to your needs. Hope these steps will help you better understand the approval form in Yeeflow application. If you want to know more about the features and tutorials of Yeeflow, please continue to pay attention to our channel. Thank you for watching.